Hello dear viewers, welcome back to our channel. It's good to have you here. As always, we've come with a video which we think is of great value to you, so watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Today we will show you a collection of woodworking project ideas and small wood furniture ideas you can make for profit. So make sure to watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Did you know that small wood furniture and decor pieces can serve as conversation starters, sparking discussions and connections among family and friends? Imagine stepping into a cozy living room. A small wooden side table sits next to a plush armchair holding a steaming cup of tea and a stack of well-loved books. This tiny piece not only serves a practical purpose, but also adds an inviting touch to the space. The grain of the wood, the finish, and the craftsmanship all contribute to the overall ambience, creating a welcoming environment that reflects the personality of the homeowner. Unique wooden items often capture attention and elicit curiosity, providing opportunities for storytelling and sharing experiences. This social aspect of home decor can foster deeper connections between individuals, making gatherings more memorable and meaningful. The presence of thoughtfully chosen wood pieces can create an inviting atmosphere that encourages interaction and connection. The timeless quality of wood furniture and decor also adds to their importance in home decor. Wood has been used in furniture making for centuries, and its enduring appeal speaks to its distinct characteristics and qualities. Unlike trends that come and go, wood maintains a classic elegance that transcends time. By incorporating the small wood pieces, homeowners can create spaces that feel both contemporary and timeless, allowing them to enjoy their decor without the need for constant updates. Here on this channel, we post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on daily basis for your inspiration. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified whenever we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us to grow our channel and give you more content in return. The significance of small wood furniture and wood decor pieces in home decor is multifaceted, encompassing aesthetic appeal, functionality, emotional resonance, and sustainability. Their ability to add warmth, character, and personality to living spaces makes them invaluable in transforming a house into a home. By embracing the beauty and versatility of wood, individuals can create environments that reflect their unique styles, comfort, and well-being. As we navigate the complexities of modern living, the importance of small wood furniture and decor remain steadfast, offering timeless elements that enhance our daily lives and enrich our experiences within our homes. Incorporating many woodworking projects in a home decor also allows individuals to stay current with trends without breaking the bank. Trends in home decor often ebb and flow, but with woodworking, individuals can adapt and experiment with new styles at their own pace. Whether it's embracing a minimalist aesthetic or incorporating rustic elements, the ability to customize projects enables homeowners to stay aligned with their evolving tastes. This flexibility ensures that living spaces remain fresh and inviting, enhancing the overall quality of life. As we navigate the world of many woodworking, it's important to recognize the potential for learning and growth that these projects offer. Many resources such as online tutorials, local classes, and community workshops provide individuals with the tools they need to succeed. By taking the initiative to learn new techniques and explore creative ideas, individuals can continuously improve their skills and expand their woodworking. This commitment to growth not only enhances their craft, but also reinforces the value of lifelong learning. Many woodworking projects are essential in transforming living spaces for a multitude of reasons. Their versatility, ability to foster creativity, and potential for enhancing functionality make them invaluable tools for homeowners. Additionally, these projects encourage personal growth, community engagement, and sustainable practices while providing a fulfilling creative outlet. Whether it's a small shelf, a unique gift, or an organizational piece, the impact of mini woodworking on a living space is profound. By embracing these projects, individuals can create environments that are not only beautiful, but also meaningful, reflecting their personalities and values while enhancing their overall quality of life. Ultimately, the journey of using many woodworking projects to transform your living spaces is about more than just the finished products. It's about the creativity, expression, and personal connection that each piece brings to your home. The satisfaction of seeing your ideas come to life, the joy of creating a welcoming environment and the ability to share your creations with others all contribute to a richer living experience. Many woodworking projects hold the power to transform living spaces instantly, offering a unique blend of functionality and aesthetic appeal. Through careful consideration of design, materials, and placement, these projects can enhance the character of any room while providing practical solutions. The emotional connection formed through the creation process adds a layer of value that transcends mere utility. Whether you're looking to refresh your home or express your creativity, engaging in many woodworking projects can lead to a beautiful and inviting living space that reflects your personality and style. Small wood furniture pieces play a crucial role in home design and home decor, offering both functional and aesthetic benefits that enhance any living space. These versatile items can transform a room, adding warmth, character, and a touch of style. In the world of interior design, the focus often falls on larger pieces like sofas and dining tables, but it's often the smaller elements that can truly bring a room together. The small wood furniture pieces can be incredibly versatile. They can fit into tight spaces, serve multiple functions, and adapt to various design styles. A small wooden stool, for instance, can double as an extra seating, a side table, or even a decorative piece in a hallway. These items are especially valuable in urban settings where space is at a premium. In a small apartment, for instance, every piece of furniture needs to earn its keep, and the smaller wooden items can provide essential utility without overwhelming the room. Moreover, wood furniture introduces an organic element that can soften the harsh lines of modern design. The natural textures and colors of wood bring warmth to a space, creating a more inviting atmosphere. Whether it's a rustic oak accent table or a sleek walnut nightstand, each piece tells its own story and adds a depth to the decor. The tactile nature of wood also encourages a sense of comfort and familiarity, making the spaces feel more like home. The importance of small wood furniture pieces extends beyond their aesthetic appeal. They are often crafted with durability in mind, providing a lasting solution for everyday needs. Unlike synthetic materials that may wear down or lose their charm over time, well-made wooden furniture can withstand the test of time. Many families pass down wooden pieces through generations, adding sentimental value to their functional roles. A small wooden chest, for instance, could serve as a toy box for grandchildren, continuing its legacy as it adapts to the changing needs of the family. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked mini woodworking project ideas and other small wood furniture ideas you can make at home for profit. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And also smash the notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.